Hello students, once again I welcome you all in my channel Mathematics Made Easy. Today I shall discuss in detail a variety of questions on the domain and range of the functions. So you please note down one by one the questions along with their important solutions, the steps. Question number 1. I shall take a variety of questions. Y is equal to fx is equal to under root of x. See, we say y exists uniquely for all x greater than equal to 0 because we have under root of x. Therefore, domain of the function is x belongs to 0 to infinity, this. Clearly the range of the function is y greater than equal to 0 because when x is greater than equal to 0, naturally y is greater than equal to 0 implies y belongs to 0 to infinity, the same domain and range. The first question, you must note down the difference in these questions. Y is equal to x square. See, domain of the function is all real. Check out. Because x can have any value. But you see the range of the function will be the range of the function. Whatever the value you put up here, x is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on, y will be positive. So y is greater than equal to 0. Maximum 0, or in this case we can have y greater than equal to 0. Positive आ सकता है या 0 आ जाएगा. This means y belongs to 0 to infinity like this. You must note the difference, the comparison between the two problems, whether there is some difference in this or this. Third question, see, y is equal to x modulo but x belongs to -7 -3 close. See, so domain is obvious. Domain of the function is -7 -3 close. Now the range of the function, range, see please. When x is equal to -7 the modulo is plus, but it is over -7, the range of the function is -1 singleton set. Check out. The range of the function is, this is equal to the singleton set. Fourth case, see, y is equal to 2 plus x upon 2 minus x. Clearly, for the existence 2 minus x is not equal to 0 implies x is not equal to 2. So the domain of the function is all real -2. क्योंकि ये 2 नहीं हो सकता है बाकी सारा, because otherwise it will become infinity. Now for the range, underline this, we have 2y minus xy is equal to 2 plus x. Therefore, it is x into y plus 1 is 2 into y minus 1. It is 2 into y minus 1. X is equal to 2 into y minus 1 over y plus 1. Clearly, y is not equal to -1. So the range of this function is all real minus of -1. Check out. Okay, this is for question number 4. See the system, how I am dealing with these cases. Now come to question number 5. I have started from the very basic question. This is y is equal to, say of course fx is there, is x square minus 9 upon x minus 3. देखो So we say clearly x is not equal to 3. Now for this is the domain of the function. Domain is all real minus of 3. Now for the range, see, for the range, underline this, we have y is equal to x plus 3, x minus 3 upon x minus 3. This will cancel out. So y is equal to x plus 3. Therefore, when x is not equal to 3 implies y not equal to 6. So the range of the function is all real minus 6. To note down this system, how I am finding the domain and range of these cases. Now question number 6. Y is equal to under root of, it is minus 1 minus x. As you know, I told you that within the radicals, this is always positive or maximum 0. So we say minus 1 minus x is greater than equal to 0 implies x plus 1 is less than equal to 0 implies x is less than equal to minus 1. So the domain of the function is x belongs to minus infinity to minus 1 because infinity वाला side कभी भी close नहीं होगा, never equal to infinity. It approaches to infinity. So minus 1 to infinity. Now for the range of the function minus 1 minus x greater than equal to 0 implies y is greater than equal to 0. Check out. You put up the values here, actually y will be 0 or greater than equal to 0. So the range of the function is y belongs to 0 to infinity. This close on the left hand side. Check up please. This is for the domain and range of y is equal to under root of minus 1 minus x. Now take up another case. Question number 7. Check up please. Yes. See, before I go for further cases of domain and range, I must make it very clear that we are dealing with the calculus of real variables. So the question is, if x belongs to R, find the domain and range of y is equal to under root of 1 minus x square. अगर x real है, तो find out the domain and range of y is equal to under root of 1 minus x square. See the solution for this. 1 minus x square is greater than equal to 0 implies x square is less than equal to 1. देखो, 1 is greater than equal to x square or x square is less than equal to 1 implies under modulus of x is less than equal to 1 means minus 1 less than equal to x less than equal to 1. So the domain of the function is x belongs to minus 1 to 1 closed. Check out. Now I would like to make one point very clear that whenever we have like second degrees under the radical signs, how to discuss the range. Check out the range of the function. Firstly, 1 minus x square is greater than equal to 0. This implies that y is greater than equal to 0. This is number 1. Also, see, also y square is equal to 1 minus x square or x square plus y square minus 1 is equal to 0. Check out. That is, you arrange as a quadratic in x. It is y square is equal to 1 minus x square. Because x belongs to R, discriminant must be greater than equal to 0. Implies b square 0 minus 4 y square minus 1 greater than equal to 0. That is, b square minus 4ac must be greater than equal to 0 as x belongs to R. Implies y square minus 1 less than equal to 0 implies y modulo less than equal to 1 implies minus 1 less than equal to y less than equal to 1 implies what? See, y is a positive, so we say it is not possible, negative तो हो नहीं सकता है, 0 less than equal to y less than equal to 1. Therefore, the range of the function is y belongs to 0 to 1 closed interval. Check out. I must make it clear again, I say that whenever we have a second degree expression for the range, you must try this concept that x belongs to R. X is a real number, so the discriminant must be positive in such cases. Say one more example on the same I can discuss here. Question number 8. Y is equal to, this is under root of x square minus 3x minus 4. देखो, all the different possibilities I shall try to cover up. The domain of the function x square minus 3x minus 4 must be greater than equal to 0 implies x minus 1 x, this is x plus 1 x minus 4 greater than equal to 0. Check out. Factorize करो, x plus 1 x square minus 3x minus 4 implies x is less than equal to minus 1 or x is greater than equal to 4, because if the reason here x minus a, x minus b greater than equal to 0, a is less than b, we have x is less than equal to a or x is greater than equal to b. You can see our previous video lecture also. This implies that the domain of the function is x belongs to minus infinity to minus 1 union 4 to infinity, like this. This becomes the domain of the function. Now for the range, see please, for the range, underline कर लो, x square minus 3x minus 4 greater than equal to 0 implies y is greater than equal to 0. This is number 1. Also, see, because x is real, y square is equal to x square minus 3x minus 4 or x square plus 3x plus 4 plus y square is equal to 0. It's a quadratic in x. Check out. So because x belongs to R, discriminant must be positive at the most 0. It is 9 minus 4. 4 plus y square is greater than equal to 0. This implies 9 minus 16. Check out please. When you transpose, there is some mistake we are having here with x square minus 3x. X square minus 3x minus of, see please correct it. X square minus 3x minus 4 minus y square. So minus of this. So it becomes, it is 9 plus b square minus 4. 16 plus 4y square greater than equal to 0. Please correct it. Once again I can check up. X square minus 3x minus 4 is y square. So x square minus 3x, when you transpose it, minus 4 minus y square it is. So discriminant positive 9 minus 4 AC greater than equal to 0 implies 25 plus 4 y square greater than equal to 0. Check up. Implies y square is greater than equal to, देखो, how much it is? 4y square. 4y square is greater than equal to minus 25. Implies y square is greater than equal to minus 25 by 4. Impossible. Check out. Because एक तरफ square कह रहे हो और on the other side it is negative. So this means therefore the range of the function is, yes, this one. That is y greater than equal to 0 implies y belongs to 0 to infinity, this. This is the range of the function for this, because this is rejected. This is impossible. Y square greater than equal to minus 25 by 4. Hence, y greater than equal to 0 is the required solution for the range. Only. Now see, we have y is equal to, this is question number 9. Y is equal to minus under root of, see please, it is minus 5 minus 6x minus x square. Check out. So domain of the function minus 5 minus 6x minus x square, positive at the most 0, x square plus 6x plus 5 less than equal to 0 implies x plus 1, x plus 5 is less than equal to 0. Now this implies minus 5 less than equal to x less than equal to 1, minus 1. Domain of the function is x belongs to minus 5 to minus 1 closed interval. Now for the range, one thing is clear, y is, देखो यहाँ पर नेगेटिव है, less than equal to 0. This is number 1. See, domain, because minus 5 minus 6x minus x square is positive, but it is minus outside, so y is less than equal to 0. Also, when you square it, y square is equal to minus 5 minus 6x minus x square, or x square plus 6x plus 5 plus y square equal to 0, because x belongs to R, discriminant is greater than equal to 0. This means 36 minus 20 minus 4y square is greater than equal to 0. Implies 4y square minus 4y square plus 16 is greater than equal to 0. Implies, yes, y square is less than equal to 4. Implies y modulo less than equal to 2. This implies further minus 2 less than equal to y less than equal to 2. This is number 2. Now see, from first and second, it is clear that y is negative. It is not possible. So we say therefore from first and second we have minus 2 less than equal to y less than equal to 0. So the range of the function is y belongs to minus 2 to 0 close. Question number 10. See please. This is a bit different type of question. The domain and range of fx is equal to like 1 plus x minus of x minus 2, the integer function. देखो, so domain is no problem. Domain of the function is all real. X can have any value. Now for the range of the function, we know x minus 2 the integer is equal to k implies k less than equal to, yes, x minus 2 less than k plus 1. Check out. We have k less than equal to x minus 2 less than k plus 1. I can put up the value here. This implies x minus 2 the integer less than equal to x minus 2 less than x minus 2 the integer plus 1. Now I want this function implies 0 less than equal to x minus 2 minus of x minus 2 the integer less than 1. That is, we try to arrange minus of x minus, and this implies, yes, we need in this case now, we have, I want here 1 plus x. देखो, how it is there, 0 less than equal to x minus 2 minus of this less than this, or this implies 3 less than equal to x plus 1 minus x minus 2 the integer, this is less than 4. Check out. That is, we have plus 3 here. So I add in this case, it becomes 3 less than equal to fx less than 4. So the range of the function is y belongs to 3 to 4 open closed interval. Now take up question number 11. This is, he says, y is equal to x square minus x plus 1 upon, it is x square plus x plus 1. Now for the domain x square plus x plus 1 is not equal to 0. This implies x is equal to minus 1 plus minus iota under root of 3 upon 2, imaginary. Therefore, the domain of the function is, we say that all real. मतलब ये imaginary नहीं हो सकता है. Domain of the function is simply real because this is rejected. Now we have for the range of the function. See, we have x square y plus xy plus y is equal to x square minus x plus 1. So x square into y minus 1 plus x into y plus 1 plus y minus 1 equal to 0. Because x belongs to R, discriminant is greater than equal to 0, implies y plus 1 the whole square minus 4 y minus 1 the whole square greater than equal to 0, implies y square plus 2y plus 1 minus 4y square, yes, plus 1, मतलब minus 4 minus plus 8y is it greater than equal to 0. This implies minus 3y square plus 10y minus 3 greater than equal to 0 implies 3y square minus 10y plus 3 less than equal to 0. Check out. 3y square minus 10y plus 3. Factorize it, it becomes just 1 by 3 less than equal to y less than equal to 3. Therefore, the range of the function here is, range of the function is 1 upon 3 to 3 closed interval. Check up please for this case. Yes. Now question number 12, for the domain and range, see please, this is 12th. Y is equal to like 3x square plus 5. Very simple case, but still I want to make it very clear. See, domain of the function is all real. For the range of the function, because x belongs to R, therefore x square greater than equal to 0 implies 3x square greater than equal to 0 implies 3x square plus 5 greater than equal to 5 implies that we have y greater than equal to 5. Therefore, the range of the function in this case is 5 to infinity, this closed on the left hand side. This is the range of the function, this becomes the domain of the function. Now see please, we are able to discuss here some 12 questions today. In my next video lecture also, I shall consider some more problems along with some more standard functions like exponential, log, and then we say the composite functions like this. Thank you very much.